This week on I Kind of Fixed It, we picked up this Craftsman. This week on I Kind of Fixed It, we picked up this Craftsman. It's kind of what we do. Mary backed the trailer in all by herself. She did a great job. She got on it. We tightened up the oil filter because in the listing for it, they said it had an oil leak, which it definitely did. The battery was also dead. Hooked this up to it and it fired right up. So this week on I Kind of Fixed It, I didn't really need to fix it, but we could say I kind of fixed it. We could say Mary kind of fixed it. So that concludes this week's episode of I Kind of Fixed It. Make sure you click like and subscribe and share wherever it is. Thanks for watching.
Mostly I'm tired of people being ugly to each other. I'm tired of all the pain I feel in here in the world.